Hey, good afternoon everybody. Ted with Hively here on an overcast Wednesday afternoon here in South Central Pennsylvania. And I found a perfect example of something that you've heard us talk about before, and that is bad ways to mulch. I am here with a tree that has been for years buried in mulch. You can see right here in this area, this thing is buried in probably 2 or 3 inches too much mulch. Well, actually right now that's what it's buried in. It's been over the years. Most of this pile here that you're looking at, most of this is accumulated mulch. Should never be allowed to look like that. And what it's going to do, or what it's already doing, is rotting the bark of this tree. Here in this area, it's starting to get really rotten and soft. This tree is going to be invaded by pests, by pathogens, and it's going to kill the tree. And a tree that should live to be 30 or 40 years old is probably only going to end up being about 15 or 20 years old before it fails. Now, there's really nothing you can do when a tree gets like this, and it's really unfortunate. And it's completely avoidable. Proper mulching techniques and proper maintenance of that mulch, hugely important. It's something that's easily overlooked. So whether you're hiring a name brand landscape company or a friend of yours with a pickup truck and a pitchfork, make sure that they're mulching correctly and they're not burying your trees and your shrubs. And if you have any questions at all, give Hively Landscapes a call. Thanks for checking us out, and thanks for choosing Hively.